Welcome to Bomaksan, where excellence is a destination and a journey. With over 30 years of experience, our company has grown by establishing strong connections with our customers at every step, from system design to implementation in the HVAC industry. Prioritizing health and safety, we manufacture state-of-the-art air filtration devices that enhance your workspaces. With our comprehensive team specialized in project design, manufacturing and installation, we provide reliable and effective solutions from the initial concept to the project's installation. Our mission is to design and manufacture innovative air filtration devices that improve the health and safety of workplaces. We work with an awareness of our responsibility to the environment, providing our customers with state-of-the-art products and exceptional customer service while maintaining high quality and performance standards. Your breath is essential. And at Bomaksan, we ensure that you breathe a clean breath, where innovation meets honesty and business and life develop harmoniously. Always with you, on your way of excellence.